If you are anything like me, then you know the pain of going out to your local field or range thinking you have everything ready. All your gear is set, ammo's prepped, you even got your gun dialed in, ready to rock. Only to find out you in fact were not ready and life is about to serve you a slice of humble pie. Today we are diving into just that, and specifically we'll be discussing hop-ups. No, not the renowned Airsoft selling app that I peruse every day in search for the next gun to fuel my addiction. Today we're talking about the chamber in virtually every Airsoft replica ever made that controls arguably the most important aspect of your gun's performance. That factor being the trajectory of your BB. For my veteran Airsoft players, you will know that your hop-up chamber and barrel are the crux of many problems players will see with accuracy, myself included, and today's video is an extremely good example of just that. But before we get into gameplay, I'd like to let all of you in on a little secret, as a treat. The channel is getting a new segment in relation to today's video. What is this segment, I hear you ask? Well, as some of you will know, I am not as dumb as I let on sometimes. Other times I am that dumb. My Twitch channel has more than enough proof and info on that. But in my years playing Airsoft, I have gotten very good at diagnosing, repairing, and upgrading my replicas when they need it. And I would like to share that knowledge with all of you. Yes, you. The one with the broken M4 in your closet because you gave up trying to fix your improperly shimmed gearbox. We've all been there, trust me. Or you, the one with the dream build that is just missing that one thing to make it the purest form of perfection. Whether you are a veteran player with years of teching experience or a fresh noob off the field with a busted gun, I'll be showing you some of my personal tricks, insights, and secrets of the trade. The first of which will be covering that dreaded hop-up unit and what I put in my best performing rifles to remedy it. With that little hook thoroughly baited, let's get back to the video. We are back at Bing once more to hash out some rounds of team deathmatch on Townfield. With me today, as you can see, is the ever-loved by the community Scorpion Evo. Unfortunately though, I am about to f*** up this literal piece of art with these oversized oven mitts that I call hands. The Evo, as previously stated, is a masterpiece at work. With a gearbox as smooth as butter and a compression system to back it up, there really is no way to lose with this beauty in your hand. Unless your hands are average size or bigger. You see, the Evo has one fatal flaw in its design, that being the goddamn dial you use to adjust the hop-up. As you can see, it's fairly small. To make matters worse, the hole that one would use to reach the said dial is also pretty tight, unlike the daughter of your local pastor. Of course, this dial does lock in place, and once you set it to the perfect spot, will be bang on the money every time without fail. But if you over or under hop this piece of garbage, adjusting that shrimpy tube of a scroll wheel can be especially tricky in a firefight unless you carry an Allen key to more easily turn the dial. But who is risking that when Allen keys are so goddamn expensive? I mean, look at this shit. This is a perfectly clean set of Allen keys, and if I lose one of these little I'm gonna be pissed. Suffice to say, no one in their right mind is taking a single Allen key with them into a gunfight. You're gonna lose it and it's gonna suck. So instead, I did the smart thing and dialed in my hop-up chamber before gameplay. The only problem was I over-hopped it, and now my shots are going to be all over the place. Let's get right into the video and watch as my suffering intensifies the further along I go into these two rounds.
Dougie, from here I'm shooting their far back building. Yes. Oh my god. This thing is dirty. I don't know why I don't get this thing out more.
That's with a Scorpion, bro?
Yes, it's got the standard brass 6.03 that it comes with, the barrel.
Hey, really?
Yeah, all I have in there is a Maple Leaf Omega hop-up tensioner for that nice curvature. That's it. Thing's a fucking monster.
Yeah, there's a one red, one building up in front of you on the left-hand side. There's no one on the right.
He's in the building to the left, you
kill. Woo! Good job, baby. Hey, you ain't flipping nobody off anymore, are you?
Three guys on the right side.
Oh, there ain't nothing more satisfying than that right there.
Sorry, bud.
That one? That one's here. He's on the half wall.
Dougie,
I got you.
left of tower. They're all shifting left. They're all going left.
Yeah, it's because they're trying to shoot right-handed like we are.
They're pushed way over, guys. I'm actually gonna rotate left side.
I'll go with you, Cakes. I'll go with you.
We got this.
Yep, I'm with you. I'm with you. Hey, Dougie, I'm gonna run past you to this building to your left. Hey there, Brim. How's it going? I got him. There's a couple more building opposite end of the tower from us.
Okay.
I'm trying to get him through the stairs, but I can't quite get him. Woo! Okay, I see you. Woo! Okay, you know what? That window's not worth it. That's not worth it. No thanks. I kind of want to go to the next building up. That's where I want to go.
You do that, I can go to the left.
Woo! They are angry. Careful, watch that window. Watch that window. See, they're just spraying the building that I went to after jumping across you, just spraying it. Oh yeah, Bram's down too now. That's good. Oh.
That man walking.
Go ahead, Bram, you're good. Got to reload.
At this point, I know full well that my gun is overhopped to all, but I know that in order to get the hop back down, it's going to take some finagling, and I just don't have time for that because, you know, I'm in the middle of being shot at. So I'll just account for the increased hop with my optic and see how it goes for now.
Hello, sir.
I'm honestly just looking at these people, see if they're gonna shoot me or not.
Fair. Go for it, go for it. Woo! No thank, not worth. Woo! And they're just letting it rip through this window. Oh, goodness. Ooh. Okay, then. They are angry. Oh my god. angry dudes. Gotta relax. Woo. All right then. I don't know where that's coming from, but they're angry. They don't like it. Come on, call that. Call that, sir. Come on. Okay, I guess not. Fair enough. Oh no, I didn't get him. Cool. Neat. I did get him. Hey there, buddy. How you doing? Good. Good? Come on, dude. Really? No? I mean, whatever, I guess, but I saw you flinch on one of them. Hello? Come on. Oh, that's not ideal. Come on. You know you want to. There we go. That one worked. Coming in behind, coming in behind. Woo! Oh.
With the first round ending about as well as it should have, we now move to the second and final round of today's game. However, there's a twist. Not only is my hop completely messed up, I am also running with just a single 75 round mag in my reserve, plus what's left in the mag that's already in the chamber. So I have one final reload before my fun ends and the enemy gets to wipe the floor with me. With that in mind, let's go ahead and sow some chaos.
Thank you. Alright, let's try this again. I'm not going to that right side because they're abusing the full autos a little bit. I don't really want that. Alright, last mag. It's not great. Nope. Good in. Maybe I'm not gonna peek that window. None of these spots are ready to go right now. You're good, you're good. They're curving real bad.
We good?
Yeah, there is. You got that same turkey that pulled them out.
Oh. Oh no, the fun's over. Okay.
And as you just saw and heard, my fun is ended. Just like someone who has had one too many at the bar and now they have to leave. Otherwise security is going to come and escort them out. But that is going to do it for me. Thank you all so much for watching until the end. Hopefully my inability to properly set my hop up has shown you what to look for in your own replicas, and don't forget I'll be covering the functionality of hop-ups and what I use here on the channel in an upcoming video, so if you haven't subscribed already, why haven't you subscribed? It's free, you stingy. Be sure to join the Wolfden community, we would love to have you. You all have a fantastic weekend. I'll be streaming this evening at 6 p.m. US Central Time. If you have time, be sure to come by and say hello. I'd love to see all your lovely faces over there. Don't forget to check out wolfdenapparel.store and get yourself some super comfy merch. And as always, this has been Wolf, and I hope to see you guys next time I hit the field.